I'm Dolan Acharya. I'm a coach and fitter. Today we are going to look at a few leg exercises which can be easily done at home, at gym, or even when you are traveling. These exercises are very safe for you. However, if you have any existing knee injury or ankle injury, please take your doctor's advice before doing these exercises. So let's get started.
The first exercise is Romanian Deadlift. You may do this exercise with a pair of dumbbell, kettlebell, or even empty hand. Keep the feet hip width apart. Initiate by pushing the hips back with the weight on the heels. Unlock the knee and let the butt move back. Back straight. When coming up to the starting position, squeeze your glutes and come back. Breathe in while going back. Breathe out when you squeeze your glute and come back to the starting position. Repeat this exercise for 10 to 15 repetitions or more, depending on your familiarity with the exercise. The second exercise is squat. You may do the squat with a pair of dumbbells, kettlebell, or even empty-handed. Stand with the shoulder width stance or slightly wider than the shoulder width stance. Knees and toes angled out slightly. Core tight. Hips reaching down. Breathe in while going down. Breathe out while coming up. Repeat this exercise for 10 to 15 repetitions or more, as and when your familiarity increases. The third exercise is cater lunge. You may do this without any weights. However, to add resistance, you may add some dumbbell or kettlebell depending on the strength and familiarity. Now let's get into the form and technique. Start with a shoulder width stance. Keeping this torso facing front, take a deep breath in. With your right leg, go all the way to the left side and go down, breathe out, and come back to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. You may do this for 10 repetitions on each side or more, depending on your familiarity with the exercise. The fourth exercise is forward lunges. You may do this exercise with a pair of dumbbell, kettlebell, or even empty hand. If you are doing this at home, you may use any weight available in your home to add to the resistance. Stand with the shoulder width stance. Take a deep breath in and take your right feet in front. Bend so that your feet, your hip, and your knee are at 90-degree angle to each other. Breathe out while coming back to the starting position. Repeat in the same way on the other side. You may do this for 10 to 15 repetitions each side or more, as and when your familiarity with the exercise increases. The last exercise is Bulgarian split squat. To do this exercise, you may try doing it beside a wall if this is new to you, so that the wall helps you in balancing and not falling down. Remember, when you do leg workout, you need to challenge yourself a little bit. And hence, we are doing the Bulgarian split squat, which targets your adductors and your glutes. So let's get started. You may take the help of a chair or a sofa or anything which is moderately hard. Keep one foot rested on the chair, the other feet on the ground, so that when you come down, your feet, your knee, and your hip are 90-degree angle to each other. Take a deep breath in while coming down. While going up, take a breath out. Do this for 10 to 15 repetitions each side before you switch the side.